Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the 1 hour time frame, I think it's very clear that we made five waves down. I think there's a very likely a wave A. Then we made one, two, three waves up, which I think is very likely a wave B. More than likely, we are in a wave C right now, which a wave C is probably going to take out the lower wave A. So I would kind of expect this to potentially go down like this, make some sort of a five-wave structure down, likely take out the lower wave A. Now, we have to remember that the monthly, weekly, daily time frame is all in an uptrend, so it could potentially go down, take out the lower wave A, and then continue the uptrend. Also, wave Cs don't always take out the lower wave A. Sometimes you do get a higher low wave C. So just be very cautious about your shorts. Keep in mind that all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, and really at any point this thing could turn up and continue the higher time frame uptrends. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.